know your golden retriever?
So well.
Is this one on your right yours?
Yeah, no.
Let's find out. In front of you are 15 golden retrievers. And if you can guess which one is yours, I'll give you 10 grand.
Let's go.
Go!
Oh, wow.
Which one of these
okay,
is yours?
Oh my gosh, this is heaven. Yeah, it looks so similar. No, that's not Ellie's. Where are those little teeth? Where are those little teeth?
Which golden
Maybe-
retriever? 5 seconds!
I don't know. 8? No. 9. That's my girl. 9.
How do you know?
Ellie, wait.
Yeah! That's yours! You just won $10,000, Ellie!